Sanibonani people of Umzansi. Hayi ngiyaphila. Le ndoda eza kunina uMseleko uyaphila. Ngizobonga futhi uyazi kule unyaka odlule noma ngalwanyanga ngathinteka kakhulu emzimbeni, ngigula, ngingaphilile. And ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokuthi angihambele nami, angangiphilisi. Uyabona namhlanje akudinga ukuthi kufike umuntu osuka phesheya noma osuka kuphi azongitshela ukuthi yazi Mseleko emzini wakho makuthiwa ukho kuyokwenzakalana, ngoba uNkulunkulu wangipha lelo thuba lokuthi ngikwazi ukubona, ngizibonele mina ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka mase kuthiwa angikho. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu enibaziyo esikakhulukazi labo abangiganile bayofika, mhlawumbe ngeke bafike futhi abanye. Kodwa ke ukugula akubanga intembi kwakona. uNkulunkulu wasilekelela kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukubona izinto ezijulile lezi esisazibona namanje. Namhlanje njoba kuyisonto kade kuyiphasika, ngike ngaye esontweni. Yazi umfundisi washumayela into eyinkinga kakhulu lapha. Wathi uNkulunkulu uma kunika into akakwenza umnikazi wayo, so akakunikezi ownership, uyakunikeza nje into ukuthi kubonakale ubukhulu bakhe. Ngabona ukuthi yazi lento ifana nalento enihlale nisho nina nithi uMseleko uyamanipulate, because uNkulunkulu akayifuni into angakunikezanga yona. Ukunikeza into. Wathi sikhuluma ngamadoda afana noAbrahama, okwathi uSara esezele indodana, wathi uNkulunkulu hamba unikela ngaleyo ndodana engikunike yona. Uthi uNkulunkulu ufune yakhe. uHana wayekhala ehlekwa umnakwabo ethempelini, wayibuyisela kuyena uNkulunkulu indodana le kade emnikeze yona. uNkulunkulu ufuna indodana yakhe. Lokhu nina nikubiza ngokuthi manipulation, nithi uMseleko uyamanipulate. Ngizwile namhlanje ukuthi ngiright, ngisemkhondweni, ngifuna okungokwami engangikunikezile, angifune engingakunikezanga. But yazi naye into engithintile. Uthi umfundisi kuyavela ke mawukhungethwe umoya obumntandane noma ungeyona intandane, because uma ngabe ungeyona intandane uthi izinto belongs to us. Uma ngabe uyintandane, intandane ilwela ukuthi izinto ezami. So ngenye indlela ke manje abantu kungenzeka bafune ukuthi izinto obukade uthi wena ezakho nabo bathi bona ezami lezo zinto. But ke egcine yosuku ngizobonga abantu baseNingizimu Afrika, ngiyanibonga nje nonke ngemthandazo yenu. Izolo bengihambele omunye umngcwabo wakaMseleko. Wathi umama, uyazi ngesikhathi ugula Mseleko, baningi abantu abathandazayo. 1, bethandaza ukuthi ungafi. Number 2, bethandazela ukuthi amakhosikazi angakushiyi, labo makhosikazi azongishiya manje. Number 3, bethandazela ukuthi engathi uhlelo lakho uthando nesithembu likaqhubeka. Ngathi mina hawu kwakuthandaza abantu besifazane, abantu besifazane engibaziyo ukuthi abangifuni. Kodwa yazi ke khona into esengiyibonile nje enkulu kakhulu. Awakhuluma amadoda lapha kami ko Facebook na ko TikTok, uMseleko kunje. Hayi ngiyanibongela bafowethu. Niwasebenzise lawo mathuba. uFacebook njengoba sayedala amathuba omsebenzi eholela. Thina njengabantu bakaMseleko sonke siyanikeza icontent. Ithatheni leyo content ni break it down, niyisebenzise, ngoba egcineni kosuku izofaka isinkwa emakhaya, izonenza futhi ukuthi nilale nidlile, because uma ngabe ningayiboni ithuba cabanga we create content thina and iya trenda leyo content endinkulu kakhulu. Angisoze nganivimba noma ningathi lo muntu owenza amakhosikazi abakhona mubi, ngeke nginimangalele. ngiyabuka nje ngilalele. Uyazi kwi-inbox yami ya Instagram ngithola abantu bengi-inbox bangithuke ngithi kodwa labantu ngeke bayenze lento engiyenzile. Kukhona udadewethu nje lapha uThandiswa, ngicela ukumbonga kakhulu. Mntakama ngiyakubonga, wathi ukhuluma wathi kumina ngeke ngize ngiqale ngikusole Mntakama ngoba uvula indlela ehlane. Hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ngempela indlela ehlane ngiyivulile. Bafowethu ngiyanicela ishoni noma yini eniyithanda ukuyisho, lento niyicabangayo nje, yazi kusho ngisho umuntu ongaganiwe akhulume ngami, nginabafazi ongaganiwe nonke kazaganwe akhulume khona manje ke khona bathi siyamhlula isithembu, kodwa nina nikaze nisibone isithembu siqala, nisibone sesisebenza isithembu. Abafazi sebelapha, anizange nibone kuqalwa kwakhiwa abafazi babe khona. So igcineni kosuku uNkulunkulu akabheki isiqalo, ubheka isiphetho. So siyibambe lapho. Umthandazo wami munye ukuthi engathi ngafika kumnikazi womuzi lo enivele lithi angimiyeka aphumule. Ngingamiyeka kanjani umuntu wayekhuluma nami engitshela ukuthi kuyoba nje kube nje. Angithi ngiyakubona manje phela isizathu esenza ngiluke ngikhulume njalo ngoFlow. uFlow wayengitshela ukuthi uma ngabe kufanele ube nalomuzi uwena udinge ukuthi ubekezele, makufanele ube nalomuzi uwena udinge ukuthi uwondle. Waphinde wangichazela wathi ngeke uhambe uyoluka usebenza uyokondla uhleli la ekhaya. Namanje ngihleli kwakhe ngihleli kwakhe, ngithi ngiyavula la kunuka isikhunta kumuzi wakhe, angazi ukuthi kuzothiwani. But egcineni osuku yazi ukuthi thina sicabanga ukuthi umuzi ungathi, yabona labantu labehleli khona kunuka kahle, kodwa emzini kaFlow kunuka isikhutha. Ilona ishwa ke la ngempela lelo. Isebenziseni ke le video, niyifake ku-TikTok, niyifake ku-Facebook, izonenzela imali. Sonke sibe nemali sijabule. Uyazi kuye kusho indoda lapha ngi-analyze ithi umseleku urongo nje. Ngithi hayi, as long as uzohola makuphela inyanga, because uFacebook usenzele lo, sebenzisani le content. Ningayenzi iphutha lokuthi ningahlupheka kudliwa, ningalamba kudliwa. Hayi bafowethu ngeke. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ke ngigulile. Ukugula kungivezele izinto. Uyabona nje ngasuka umuntu la athi uzongibonisa uyadlala. Mina ukugula kungibonisa izinto ezinkulu.
So, Ubaba have posted that video, you guys, and we will chat on Instagram. So he's talking about how umuzi waseMzumbe, as we know, the wives have left Umzumbe. They are now living emadolobheni emzini yabo, something like that, you guys. So we've heard a complaint with that umuzi awusanakekelwa, there's nobody looking after the house. I've asked where is Makwela, Abolwandle, people who said they are gonna be ones staying in Mzumbe, but yeah, we've seen how the Ubaba have complained ukuthi umuzi kaGoFlow unjena nje wamakhosikazi asukilambile, but it's his fault because he is the one who bought amakhosikazi izindlu allegedly wabasusa laphana ke baye ezindaweni zabo. So now angazi why umuzi unganakekeli. Like, I just don't get, you guys, why are they not looking after ikhaya Dala? I mean, ikhaya Dala yebo like ikhala kaMseleku kufanele ukuthi noma abantu bephuma kube khona umuntu osalayo ozobheka umuzi, ngeke usale nje umuzi without nobody, you know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, he's also touching on that ukuthi ke uyabona ukuthi noma engasekho, even if he's no longer here, he can see now esaphila ukuthi umuzi waseMzumbe, umuzi kaGoFlow, like he says, uzoba njani uma yena engasekho. At least now he's here, his complaints ahamba ayobheka afika touch lapha nalapha, you know what I mean? But uma engasekho kuzoba kanjani, uthi he can clearly see ukuthi how is umuzi waseMzumbe uzoba kanjani if he is no longer here. on this earth. Okay, he also talk about how people always talk about him bamjajeke when it comes to isithembu sakhe, uthi he can see some men judging him lapho that particular man doesn't even know isithembu akasiqala, at least yena wasiqala nansi isithembu sikhona. But abantu bamjajayo who talk a lot about him and isithembu sakhe bethi siyamhlula in people who don't understand, who do not even know, abangeke sithenjini, abangena idea, but they've got a lot to say. Abu Yati, no, he's allowing people to actually tag their content as the show and say whatever they want, because abantu kumele badle, people we have to eat. At least I'm making this video because I know we were given permission by Baba Msamseleko himself. You know what? Take this content, ni analyze it, I'm not gonna sue anyone. Just take this content and use it. Nizokwazi ukuthi nani ke nibe kudle tafuleni. He knows phela ukuthi on YouTube here since ama reviews, Facebook, he posting everywhere, himself with this, himself with that, abafazi baget this, abafazi baget that. Obviously when we post and then we get views and then we make money. So he understands ukuthi abantu kumele babe kudle tafuleni, kumele badle. So he's giving us permission. He's not gonna go after anyone who's gonna say things about him. I'm suing you because this is what you said. You know, people always wanna sue. But uthi ke Baba Msamseleko, no, I'm not gonna do that. Take this content, use it, say whatever you are saying, you guys. So yeah, I mean, that is the video that I saw. I'm like, okay, now I'm gonna use your video, like I'm gonna use this particular one as a video, because I mean, with permission, I post even yonke, because he's not gonna go after anyone. Sometimes you also post content is about the small clip and then you speak over something like that, because we are scared people are gonna come for you back sweep. But if Baba Msamseleko athi he's giving people go ahead so that abantu bazobeka ukudla etafuleni, sisho noma yini si analyze it the way sibona ngakhona indaba yomuzi wakhe namakhosikazi wakhe, everything, you guys. That's Baba Msamseleko for you. But uthi ke khuluma abantu abangasazi isithembu, abanganaso, who don't understand and all that. But ke hi, Baba Msamseleko, do you, Baba, do you? And siyazi ukuthi ezinye izinto they're just not real, you guys. They're just trying to nandisa the show. But anyways, sibonga ke i-content abasinikeza yona, and now that we are allowed to can use the content, analyze it and say whatever, he's not gonna be coming after us. But anyways, it is what it is, you guys, as you heard for yourself from the man himself, you know what I mean. Ukhala ke nkosi yami ngomuzi wasemzumbe, akhala ngamakhosikazi ukuthi hey, namhla engasekho khona bazoba khona abangeke babe khona. I don't know about that. I think all of them, they're gonna make sure they are there. He's just saying Baba Msamseleko being Baba Msamseleko esas, by saying that Native gonna have a lot to say, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's what he said, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Like, subscribe, share. That's what I mean. On my next one. Bye.